Off-season arrived, time to hit the pool, but how much is gonna cost you?
It's common in Airbnb business to put pool heating cost on guests, but how much it will be?
Here is the tourist and famous Myrtle Beach pool I'm usually working on.
In this video I'm sharing 4 years of experience of offering pool heating to my Airbnb guests. First, I wanted to make detailed video covering every usage outdoor temperature. 76 degrees today, it's a warm day. 56. 50 right now, and at night, the last night it was even cooler, below 40 at night. And pool water temperature before activation the heater. 83 degrees, the pool water. 73 degrees, man. 64, 65. As of now, the temperature is 60 to 64 degrees, the water temperature in the pool. Drop down, it's 70 degrees right now. From 65, drop down, it's below 70, 69, 78. 73 from Ducky Duck. And utilities usage with meter readings. But I figured that the video will be too boring and no one will watch it. So I decided just to create one chart based on all mentioned factors and accounting for all previous charges paid by Airbnb guests. And you can work with this chart adjusting for specifics of weather in your location, pool volume and utilities cost. We particularly talk about using natural gas for pool heating. First of all, you need to heat up your pool to at least 79-80 degrees. That's the average recommended temperature for the swimmer by the books. Anything lower than that will be too chilly for guests. Honestly, you're gonna get complaints that the pool is too cold anyway, and later in the video I'll tell you how to eliminate them. We always set the heater on 82 to be safe. It's better to under-promise but over-deliver. 82 as the doctor prescribed. I currently invest in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and the chart will be based on my pretty big 24,000 gallons pool. Adjust numbers for yours.
Huge pool, huge bill.
As soon as outdoor temperature drops below 80, pool water temperature naturally following it going down, and that's when you need to activate your pool heater. In my area we offer guests to do it from October until middle of May. And here's the chart I created with approximate and recommended charges, depending on month of the year and length of the stay. Based on covering utility bill cost for natural gas in my area with the rate of $1.71 per therm. Important things to understand. Your initial pool heating is the most costly one. That's why daily rates on chart are higher for 2-3 night stays to compensate for that first day of gas usage needed. Especially at cold outdoor conditions that occasionally or commonly hit your area and you need to bring water temperature up from very low one, which might take even half of the day. Off-season time you're gonna have a lot of vacancies, so don't rely on previous reservation where pool was heated to help you with next one. A pro charges for each reservation independently. If you self-manage, over time with experience you're gonna feel how much your guests are ready to spend / capable to pay to book your property. Depending on location, your off-season rates might be significantly lower, like $100 a night, and even anticipated but another, for example, $50 a day pool heating fee might be a deal breaker for guests. So once in a while you might discount your pool heating cost for the sake of not losing the reservation. Depends.
And here, 3 tips if you offer pool heating to your Airbnb guests. You don't want to get contacted by Airbnb guests and they will be messaging you way more often than you anticipate, asking, is the pool water warm enough? We don't think it's warm enough. We think it's too chilly. Is pool heater working? We think it's too cold. All this stuff should be eliminated. We personally do it on check-in instructions. When we send the picture of thermometer saying to the guests, you will be able to track promised temperature on this thermometer inside of your pool. Kids are breaking them often, thinking it's a toy, throwing them around, so make sure you have extra ones. While making this video, I figured better solution. We mounted little box to the fence and we will be putting thermometer inside there, so it's not direct target for kids in the pool, and will make guests responsible kinda to put it back in the box if they use it. If your guest here located outside, outdoor, lock, cover, access to it. Guests are ruthless. They're gonna be looking for a way, where's the guest here, how to get there. We used to catch some guests on removing the locks and adjusting the temperature then we had to come after them and charge for that. We use two different style of locks, but with the same concept when you stick in the pads. So depending on the design of your gas here, this might be the best option for you. We used to have just one across, but untrustworthy gas have a tendency to remove it. And now we decided to have two and different styles. Whoever is gonna turn on the heater for you, make sure you train them well, they know what to press. On accident, my housekeeper once pressed spa instead of the pool. You see what the water was taken up to? And obviously the gas didn't say a single word. And my monthly utility bill came to $1,000 instead of $400 anticipated. $600 loss on a simple mistake. Another simple way I train my people, just shut off the gas supply.
And last thing, you may have a question, do you charge for hot tub heating? We just built new project and no, we do not. That would be petty. Hot tub is expected to have warm water, otherwise it defeats the purpose. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like it and subscribe to my channel not to miss on future real estate and development projects.